Alright, now the next step is you might be wondering that I'm using the buttons, but I'm not displaying the output here. So in this video, we'll see how we can generate an output indicator here. You can see that there is no output element. Alright, so we have to design it again. So the designing is very simple actually. You have to use the basic objects here. So let's consider the output to work as an LED, alright? The motor LED. So let's take a circle here, and you can make a circle like this, or you can reduce its size. So let's say this is my output. Alright, I have to tag it with the output address, but how to do that? So initially, if you see here, there's an animation tag. Okay, we have to animate this LED with the colors. Alright, so go to the animations and go to the display. Because we have to change this display, double click this one and click add new animations. Alright, now we need to make the animation with appearance. Alright, you can also do it visible or invisible, but let's do it with appearance. Click OK. Now you will notice here there's a tag button. So before coming to the tag, I want to give a range. So the range is first, let's take a single bit because this is a bit address, on and off. So this is 0. So at the 0, I want this button to be colored as red. So I'll take the background color, change it to red. Okay. Now the second one is the first state, the state when the output is on. In this case, I would prefer this to be green. Alright, so I have two states, 0 and 1. Now let's give the address. The address should be motor. Alright, now here this should not be, should be 0. Yeah, this is 0 and this is 1. And now the address is motor. And now let's download this in the HMI and see the results. So here you go to download, and it will ask you to override. Click load. And let's go back to the main OBI. This is our HMI, and let's see the animation on the screen with just simple blink on and off. So here, right now motor is on. Let me just reset the button. Okay. Now you can see that initially it's not even red, it's a little bit orange. So but anyways, click start and you can see that the bit is on. And you can write some text here saying the motor is on or something like that. And if you press stop, this bit is stop. Again, if you press start, this is on. The emergency again, it will be stop and shown as red. Okay, so I hope this makes sense, and I hope you can get the idea that using this small animation concept, you can give your indication to many different areas of your machine. Suppose you have a machine in the HMI and you want to show which area is on, which motor is on. You can locate these LEDs there, or this can be used as the indication of limit switches. Which limit switches press, which is release, which sensor is working. You can increase and decrease the size of this LED, and you can indicate many different outputs in your HMI screen. Alright, now in the next video we'll see how to actually make a motor here, not just the LED. So let's see that in the next tutorial.